It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at Carbonite, where you can get a 15-day free trial by going over to geekazine.com/carbon-free. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and I welcome you to the Day in Tech History at dayintechhistory.com. It's part of the Tech Podcast Network. You can subscribe via iTunes, Zune, or Stitcher Internet Radio. Our Twitter is Day in Tech Hist, and all show notes are on the wiki page if you want to follow along. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. August 9th, 1859, the first escalator patent was issued to Nathan Ames. 1898, the first diesel combustion engine patent was issued to Rudolf Diesel. Jump to 1991, Mustang Software's co-founder and president, Jim Harrier, posts an angry response denying a Usenet rumor that Wildcat BBS software contained a backdoor that allowed remote sysop privileges. Also in 1991, the first email from space. Well, the space shuttle Atlantis STS-43 sent an email via a Macintosh portable computer through Apple Link. They send, "Hello Earth, greetings from STS-43 crew." 1995, Netscape Communications goes public after generating revenues of $16.6 million of the course in the past year. 5 million shares were offered. 4,250,000 of the shares were offered within North America on NASDAQ. 1999, AMD introduced the Athlon processor, formerly codenamed K7. The processor featured the enhanced 3D Now technology, and prices would start at $849. Also in 1999, Yahoo launched Yahoo Greetings. If you're a small or medium business that doesn't have any type of backup to their computer off-site, well, you need to start, because you never know. Fire, flood, theft, all these things can turn your business from a great success to a great failure. And we don't want that. We want you to bring everything back so you can make the next social network or make the next big thing. And do that by backing up all your stuff offsite by using Carbonite. Now, they have Pro plans and server plans. Pro plans starting at $269.99 a year, and server plans starting at $799.99 a year. You can hook up unlimited computers or servers. It is easy to use web dashboard, and it's all HIPAA compliant if you are a startup healthcare. Awesome there. Check it all out. Go over to geekazine.com/carbonite, geekazine.com/carbonite, and back up now, back up often, back up all the time using Carbonite. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. In 2000, version 2.62.1 of the Remote Access Bulletin Board System was released. 2001, the Iomega Corporation announced job cuts in a plan to restructure amidst declining interest in its Jazz and Zip product lines, while CDRW, or rewritable technology, saturated the market. Also in 2001, National Science Foundation announced its intentions to invest $53 million to construct the distributed terascale facility, the most powerful supercomputer ever developed. It would be used by 4 research centers based in the United States on projects including molecular modeling, disease detection, drug development, and climate simulations. 2008, federal judge grants the state of Massachusetts' request to prevent 3 MIT students from giving a presentation about hacking smart cards used in the Boston subway system. 2009, URL Shortner Tr.im, Tr.im, announced that they would be shutting down due to lack of funds. Within a couple days, they would be back up. 2010, Verizon and Google published a joint policy proposal to promote an open internet. In the proposal, it could fine people up to $2 million for breaking any law. The proposal touched on wireless issues and items dealing with internet traffic, including paid prioritization. Also in 2010, Blockbuster Video begins including games in its by-mail rental system. 3,000 titles became available to have delivered to your home. And in 2013, LavaBit, an encrypted email service that Snowden used to link to, shut down. And a Florida man killed his wife, then posted the confession along with a photo to Facebook. He was arrested and the page was taken down. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2014 JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.